What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Jag Sports Breaks. Today is Wednesday, April 14th, 2021. We're doing our 2021 Bowman Baseball First Edition one-box break. Pick your team number 3. Doing numbers 3 and 4 tonight. This is number 3. Who's got who? You can see the names in the top left there, but I'll run through it alphabetically for you. Andrew S., Twins and Padres. Christopher H., Tigers. Craig S., Marlins, Brewers. Dan B. with the Reds, Dan L. with the Astros, Angels, Athletics, Cardinals, Eric G. D-backs, Eric L. with the Jays, James R. Nationals, John B. with the Indians, Joshua A. Cubs, Justin A. with the Dodgers, Justin M. Royals, Yankees, Michael M. with the Orioles, Patrick S. Rockies, Phil S. Braves, Mariners, Ray V. with the Mets, Ruben O. White Sox, Phillies, Giants, Rays, Sean F. Pirates, Steve L. Rangers, and Tom G. Red Sox. Looking for some blaze. Alright, good luck, everybody. All cards will ship. And a reminder, just no hit list credit because it's very scarce, these hits, and it's one box. So, let's get ripping. Good luck, everybody. Well, here we go. Number 3. Out. She's empty. There we go. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. See if we can pull an auto. Pull one of those sweet die cuts. Those gold die cuts last week. So we'll see. We got some color to kick it off at least. There we go. Good luck. Ronnie Mauricio, Meyer, Reed Detmers, Zamora, Trent DeVoe, first Bowman, Jeremy De La Rosa, Manoah Whitley, going down the gold. First Bowman, Phillies, Nick Matten, 33/75. Phillies, Ruben. Ruben, you crushed it last week too. I remember Ruben was cleaning up with the parallels and the numbers and the sky blues. Knows how to pick them. I'm gonna have Ruben pick my lotto numbers. There we go. Second pack. Had Noel Gorman, Ivan Johnson, Jalen Lears, Beer, Logan Gilbert. There's Mike's guy. Matt Manning. Here we go, sky blue in the back. Dylan Dingler, Walston, Jeter Downs, D.L. Hall, Francisco Alvarez, Soderstrom, Hunter Green, Kelvin Alcantara, Nick Lodolo. We got Tigers, Dylan Dingler. Led off the pack, finished off the pack. Sky blue Tigers. Tigers, Christopher H. More sky blue. Keep it going. Helio Ramos, Ed Howard, Lionel Bruhan, Mackenzie Gore, Steph Beer, Luis Garcia, Kerstad. Nice, Austin Martin. There we go. Who's got those Blue Jays? Eric Gell. Yep, Eric Gell. Colton Welker. Who do we got? We got for the rate. Nice Wander. Sky blue Wander. Ruben. What'd I say? What'd I say? Ruben knows how to pick them. Sky blue Ruben. Sky blue Wander. Ruben Franco. Ruben Pfeffer. Nice Austin Martin. My favorite guy in that class. Excited to see his autos. Feliciano, Volpe, Josh Young, Gabriel Arias. It's a nice one there for the Indians. Allie Green, Kerstad, Gray, Welker, James Beard, and Casey Martin. Nice Gabriel. For the Tribe. Hit recap at the end too, guys. Everything I top loaded. Chatham, Simeon Woods, Kirby, Hendrick, Royce Lewis, Kelnick, nice one. Downs, we got Bobby Witt, there you go, Royals. Nick Gonzalez, and Aaron Sabato, look at that. Twins, who's got those twins? Andrew Russ, nice. Ugh. These sleeves are upside down. Nice, good pack. Good base pack, I should say. Bobby Witt, coming on strong. Ever since spring training. Call him up, let's see it. It's a nice middle infield there with Witt. Alright, keep it going. Austin Hendrick, Terang, Peraza, Antonio Gomez, Luis Garcia, Francisco, Volpe, Gorman, Reyes, and Severino for the Twins. Go Christopher Morel, Walston, Alexander Ramirez, Downs, Shoemake, Brett Beatty, Talia, Thomas, Blade, Clayton Beater. Nick Lofton, Zay Green, Rob Poussin, that's a nice one. Diaz, Garrett Mitchell, my man, Daniel Espino, Thompson, Jordan Adams, Jake Vogel. I want to see an auto. They look so nice this year. They're making me wait to regular Bowman. I hope not. Oh, where the parallels at? Man, Whitley, Katara, Groshans, Nick, nice Nick Gonzalez, Pete Crow, Detmers, Julio Rodriguez. See this guy in the middle. Let's go, Mariners. Call him up. Where are the kids at? Where are those kids at? James Beard, Kelnick, Josh Young, Jarvis, Keone Cavaco, Welker, Ed Howard, another Sabato. There you go. Bobby Miller, and there's Dominguez. Very nice. 2 Sabatos. I think the only out of the big names, first Bowmans. I think what are the big 3? You got Martin, Blaze, and I would say Sabato are the big 3. Sabato being 3rd. I think we're just waiting on Blaze. Very nice Twinks. Alright. This is the last pack of the first stack. Need some parallels, man. Walker, Zamora, York, Romo, Bailey, Shane Baz, Hosey, and Kirby. There we go, there's a sky blue. Bo Naylor, Martin, Antonio Gomez, Thomas, Talia Thompson, Montero, Zamora, Brett Beatty. Do we got a first Bowman? Nope. Dodgers, Clayton Beater, Justin A. Clayton Beater, sky blue. Emerson Hancock, Alvarez, Jonathan India's hitting. This guy's hitting. Corbin Carroll, Cody Hosey, Beatty, Diaz, Coar, another Austin Martin, Jake Vogel. It's our second Martin in this box. Two. Very nice. Let's get some numbering. It's got sky blue in the background, yeah. Royce Lewis, Matt Manning, Casey Martin, Grayson Rodriguez, Yolbert Sanchez. It's a nice one for the White Sox. Vavra, Gorman, Justin Foscue, Bryce Terang, D-backs, Blake Walston. Good old Blake. Good old Blake. Sky blue Blake. Robert Robinson, Ed Howard, Lynch, Ramos, Vlade, Choi, and Hassel. Nice Hassel. There's Wander there for the Rays. George Kirby, James Beard, Keone, Henderson, Beater, Carroll, Marsh. What do we got? We got Jeremy Pena for the Stros. The cheaper team's getting a nice sky blue. Pena. And Wander. Alright, let's try to end on a positive big note here. Let's get a bang, man. CJ Abrams, Garcia, Trammell, Hall, York, Naylor, Rosario, Dominguez again. There's Julio, and Mania. Second Dominguez. Interesting card with the side view. They don't do that often. You really don't see a card like that. Just interesting. Maya, Rutledge, Dola, Montero, Hancock, Vlade, Gore, De La Rosa, Hall, Gilbert. What do we got? 5 left, including this guy. Wow, we gotta get some parallels here. Alcantara, Cavaco, Welker. Right here. Oh, I did miss a guy. Mackenzie Gore, Welker, Terang, Callahan, Thomas, Naylor, Stott, and Nolan Gorman. Alec Manoa, Isaiah Green, Rosario, Jordan Balazovic. Crush that name. Reed Detmers, Severino, Bob Bruin, Bobby Miller, Jake Vogel, and Julio. 3 left. Come on. Let's get some numbering. Man, getting crushed. Walston, Montero, Josiah Gray, Reyes, Christopher Morel, Peraza, Meyer, Pete Crow, Nick Matten. There's Blaze. There he is. We found him. Blaze. Alright, got the big guys. Parallels have been scarce. There's Aaron around top. 3rd Aaron. Wow. Mania, Abrams, Volpe, Mitchell, Manning, Jones, Talia, and another Mick. Good old Mick. 1 pack left. Let's see if we sold out number 4 too. There's Aaron. We'll go to the hit recap after this pack. Christian Robinson. Man, we didn't do well with color. Christian Robinson, Bitsko, Langoliers, Downs. There's Byron. Dolo, Diaz, Simeon Woods, Hassel, and Nick Allen. Give me 24 seconds to get through the hit recap sorted out here. Here we go, hit recap. There's your base guys, there we go. Hit recap for PYT number 3. Just some of the bigger firsts and bigger guys. Base that we top load. We had Gabriel Arias, Bobby Witt. We had 1 Bobby Witt, 1 Yolbert Sanchez, 1 Wander, 1 Blaze Jordan, 2 Abels, I'm going to Bell. 2 Jason Dominguez, 2 Austin Martins for that Blue Jay spot, very nice. And 3 Aaron's going out to the Twinks. And the parallels. Sky Blues, we had Wander, Dylan Dingler, Clayton Beater, Blake Walston, Jeremy Pena, and one color, Nick Matten, 33/75, first Bowman yellow early on. And that's going to do it for break number 3, guys. Number 4 up next, number 5 tomorrow. So let's see what we did with number 4. Thanks, guys.